Dang, guys, I accidentally pressed the wrong button. Is there another seat? No, there isn't. What about me? There's only one seat for each other. Oh, that's a bad sign. How about you just grab on? Just try jumping. Ah, my leg hurts. I know. Ah. I got on. Help. Gosh, there's another incident. Even he died. No, that prefers the apple. I hope the dragon fruit's okay. Oh, that literally just ripped off. Oh, he didn't make it. He didn't make it. No, that incident was so bad. And his hand is still tingling all up. Never mind. It's not. Bro, that's the worst one. Dang. And if I ever saw that, I would freak out. Wait a second. The other half is okay, but this side is not really lucky. Gosh. That was bad. Yep, that was a bad incident. Now there's literally 2 incidents. They didn't get to go to the hospital. Dang.
Charge them while you're playing.
And they were over there. All the way to over here. Farther than the plane. And I forgot to add the hospital.
Yeah, you're the one making all the noise. You come in.
And the hospital is going to be all the way over here. Like, bro. Oh, elevator. Yeah. They didn't make it. Part 2. I might have to do another one. And I checked them. There was a plane incident. Helicopter incident. There's gonna be a hospital incident, and this one will go all the way to TV. Whoa! Hold on there. Can you chill out? No. Boom, 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 boom. This was a bad idea. Oh, I'm not okay. I got crushed by Betty. Oh my god. That was the third incident. Alright, bye now. Bro, what the?